StevenRGundry, The Plant Paradox, The Hidden Dangers in Healthy Foods That Cause Disease and Weight Gain. Dive into the hidden world of plant defenses and their impact on human health in this summary of The Plant Paradox, by Dr. StevenRGundry. The book offers an eye-opening look into the complex relationships between humans and the seemingly harmless plants we consume daily. Discover the science behind lectins, a family of plant proteins designed to fend off predators, and how they can lead to a myriad of health issues, including brain fog, weight gain, and inflammation. Learn about the changes in our ancestral diets that brought us to an overconsumption of lectins and how these once beneficial proteins may now be causing harm.
Plants come prepared. Plants utilize lectins as a defense mechanism, causing memory difficulties and weight gain for predators. Animals have strategies to defend themselves against predators, but what about plants? It turns out that plants also have defensive tactics. One of the crucial weapons in their arsenal is a group of plant proteins known as lectins, which exist in various parts of many plants like leaves, seeds, skins, and grains. When an animal consumes lectins, they bind to sugar molecules in the animal's brain and nerve endings, hindering the predator's cells and nerves from communicating properly. This results in brain fog, causing memory difficulties and focus issues. Plants make these lectins and aim to educate predators to avoid eating those plants in the future. Unfortunately for humans, consuming certain lectins not only causes confusion but also leads to weight gain. Wheat germ agglutinin, WGA, a type of lectin found in wheat, is responsible for this. It causes sugar to enter the body's fat cells, converting it into fat and resulting in weight gain. In earlier times, wheat's ability to promote weight gain was useful in northern climates, where food scarcity was frequent. But in modern times, with a surplus of food and indoor heating, the weight gain from plant consumption is an undesirable effect. Therefore, plants come prepared with lectins, a crucial defense mechanism that proves to be detrimental to predators' health. The rise of agriculture. Until 10,000 years ago, animal protein was the primary source of food in the human diet. However, the last ice age ended, causing the animals living in cold climates to die, and as a result, there was a scarcity of animal protein. This led to the cultivation of grains and legumes, which introduced humanity to many different types of lectins. Quickly, agriculture became the norm in many cultures around the world, enabling populations to escape starvation and thrive. However, the ancient Egyptians who consumed high amounts of grain showed signs of tooth decay and obesity. Therefore, while grains kept our ancestors alive, the lectins contained in these plants were harmful to their health. The gut microbes and lectins. Your gut is like a nuclear plant, containing energy-producing elements that must be kept in place to prevent damage. Gut microbes convert our food into energy. Lectins increase the permeability of our intestinal tract, allowing microbes to break through, triggering our immune system. The removal of bran from grains for centuries made whole grain products a new health risk, causing illnesses like Crohn's disease. It's vital to control lectin intake to avoid health issues. The Plant Paradox Program. The Plant Paradox Program is a 6-week plan that focuses on eliminating harmful foods to regain overall health. According to the author, what you don't eat is more critical than what you do eat. The program has been known to cure various health issues such as vitiligo by removing harmful substances, including lectins, from one's diet. Legumes, such as peas, lentils, and beans, contain the highest amount of lectins and are thus a part of the food group that must be eliminated. The Centers for Disease Control noted that 20% of all food poisoning incidents in the United States involved undercooked legumes. Preparing your gut for health. To truly benefit from the Plant Paradox program, your gut needs to be in good shape. This requires a 3-day cleanse. Start by eliminating lectins from your diet. These are found in many foods, including fruit, grains, and dairy. Stick with raw or cooked vegetables and healthy oils. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and limit yourself to 8 ounces of pastured chicken or wild-caught fish per day. The nutritional shortage. The nutrient content in our fruits and vegetables is steadily decreasing due to the use of fertilizers and pesticides. The fruits and vegetables we consume no longer have enough minerals and vitamins to maintain our health, but we can make up for this with supplements. Following the nutritional guidelines of our hunter-gatherer ancestors who only consumed organic and mineral-rich soil plants and animals can help us lead a healthier lifestyle. The Plant Paradox program suggests supplementing important minerals like vitamin D and B12, which aid cell regeneration in intestinal walls and protect inner linings of blood vessels, as our ancestors did in their enriched diets.
In summary, the plant paradox illuminates the hidden dangers behind the lectins found in so-called healthier foods. The book outlines how these plant proteins, once a survival mechanism in times of food scarcity, can now contribute to modern health issues and conditions. Moreover, it highlights the importance of understanding our relationship with plants and their evolutionary defenses. By following Dr. Gundry's 6-week Plant Paradox program, readers can take vital steps towards regaining digestive and overall health by eliminating harmful foods and incorporating gut restorative practices. This transformational journey will give you the tools and insights needed to achieve a healthier and more mindful lifestyle.